Okay, so if you finish your Dawn Platinum Powerwash and you want to refill it, obviously you could buy a refill. It looks just like this, but you could also make your own. It's a lot cheaper to do. You just have to get the formula refined. And basically what you're gonna need is some white vinegar. Some people use rubbing alcohol. I would recommend white vinegar. A soap. You could obviously use Dawn Ultra in the refill size, or you can go ahead and use some Dawn Platinum. The Platinum is a closer match to what is here. Obviously it's Platinum and Platinum, but this doesn't, at least I haven't seen it in the refill size, and it's more expensive. So we'll go with the Dawn Ultra. It's a lot more economical. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to match this. This is an existing one, and we'll use that for reference later. And we're gonna try to make a formula and put it in here. A good starting point is about 6 tablespoons of Dawn Ultra, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and then the rest water in here. You don't want to go too watery. It'll clean well. You just don't have that cleaning power of the Platinum Plus, and it doesn't sort of spray the same. So it's pretty important to get the concentration right. So again, we'll do 6 of the Dawn Ultra. If you're doing the Dawn Platinum, you would do less, but 6 of the Ultra seems to be a pretty good starting point. You don't have to be too exact here. You just, again, don't want a formula that's too watery. Okay, so now you want something to dilute it and make it a little bit more kind of runny, and the vinegar is going to help with that. It's also going to add cleaning power that you're not gonna get from soap alone. That's why people are using the rubbing alcohol, but I don't really think that's the best idea since we're using this on food. Also, it kind of gives it a little bit of a smell. Vinegar is a good way to go. I do a lot of my cleaning with white vinegar anyway. So we'll do 2 of those. Okay, at this point, we don't really have that much liquid in here. Just like kind of the bottom ½ inch is covered. So there's a lot of space for extra soap if you want to add more concentrate, but let's start with this. You don't need to fill this up all the way. Again, we're gonna play with this to get the right concentration. We'll do this about 3/4 of a way full. It's about where Dawn ships it. We'll lock this in and we'll give it a little bit of a shake. It takes some time to stir this up. So some people say you can let it sit. I don't think that's necessary. You just want to shake it up. Not too much, because that's just going to create more bubbles. You just want to stir it. You can add some sort of essential oils. I've read online that people add essential oils to this to match the lemon scent or the fresh, clean scent. I don't think that's necessary. It's just not needed for me. Okay, so here's the reference point we're trying to match. It's a nice thick foam. You could see it in the air. You could see it, and you could see it. And here's what that looks like. It's relatively thick and it has that nice sort of spray to it. And again, this is pretty concentrated stuff. I don't think I really need exactly that from the one we make ourselves, but we want to get pretty close to that. Otherwise, then what's the point? You know, it's not just about reusing the bottle, we're trying to rebuild the formula. Okay, so the mixing is complete. I have the store-bought one here and the one I made here. Let's look at the difference. You can see this model is a lot thicker and clingier. This model is much runnier. That's because we're not gonna be able to replicate that thickness with the vinegar. The vinegar breaks down the bubbles and makes it runny. It has some cling to it. It is soap, but it's not going to replicate what the Dawn factory formula does with the sodium lauryl sulfate and things like that. So it's not the same exact thickness or clinginess, but it will spray. You get a nice spray. You get some of that, but the bubbles get broken up very quickly by the vinegar. The rubbing alcohol will be a closer match to this formula if that's what you're going for. You want to just use those 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol instead of 2 tablespoons of vinegar. but I do like the vinegar, which is good enough at cleaning, has a better smell for me, and it's using all food type ingredients, which I like. Obviously the soap's not food, but it's using a food ingredient. So for me, that's the right way to mix up your own Dawn Platinum Plus Power Wash. You can go a little thicker with this. You could use the Platinum instead of the Ultra. You could add a tiny little bit of salt. I don't think you should. And then you could add some sort of essential oils. Again, I don't think it's required. Use the alcohol if you want, but that should be good enough for our purposes, as opposed to just going out and buying the refills, which are still an option.